The simple interest on a certain sum of money is 4 by 9 of the principal. We know this principal interest into n into r by 100 is simple interest. This is given to be 4 by 9 of principal. The numbers representing the rate of interest in percentage and time in years are equal. The time for which the principal is lent out is, so the rate of interest in percentage and time in years, these two are said to be equal. So let cut both of them as x. P into x by 100 is p into 4 by 9. The p gets cancelled. Or x square is 4 by 9 into 100. Or x. This is a perfect square, this is a perfect square, this is a perfect square. Life is very simple. 2 by 3 into 10, which is 20 by 3. Or some principal, if it is invested for 20 by 3 years at a rate of interest of 20 by 3 percentage, it will become 4 by 9 of what it was. The time for which the principal is lent out, the time, not the percentage, time for it is lent out is 20 by 3 years, which is 6 2 by 3. 20 divided by 3 was 6 times under 2. 6 2 by 3 years.